Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to customize your controller right here on Fortnite. So first of all, let's just press this button right here. You guys will see all those options. Let's just go all the way to your right hand side. You guys will see all these options right here. Pick your very first one. Let's press A right there. Then let's just go all the way to controllers. Alright, so from here you guys will see all these options on the left hand side. You guys can pick custom, for example. You guys can go to Builder Pro, Combat, Quick Builder, and Old School. To apply any of these, so for example, Builder Pro, select it, and then press Y to apply that. Press B to go back, and you're all set. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.